fish get periods?
I don't know. Do fish breathe? I mean, not breathe. Sleep. I mean, blink. Wait, why did I just say that?
I think we should go on a hunt for batteries.
Okay. Wait. Bwahaha. No. Bwahaha. There you go. Oh shit.
Dude, I think we're screwed. That's because this is
really
what you
creepy.
press to record.
Oh. I'm a parrot.
Press it all the way down. Oh, did you just break it? There we go. What the hell?
Oh, wait. Banana!
Maybe there's like an on-off button. Oh, there's a reset button.
Just looks like he's saying banana.
Wait. Dickweed.
What the fuck, Shelby? We should just give up.
Wait, let's just see if this one works first.
Sex teddy bear!
He doesn't have batteries.
I know, but he's never mind. It like breaks a lot.
Shelby, wake up!
It's like a guitar.
Shelby, wake up!
Guitar screwdriver, like.
Creepy movie
I'm
yesterday.
hungry. What? Ooh, I want to see them. Let's watch them. Okay.
No hesitating.
I'm not funny when I try to be.
This is Mosey.
Hey, I look more like that. You're the crab and you look more like Mosey.
Yeah, because I have like tentacles.
And I'm like pink. I mean, wait. I'm pink with flowers.
These are my tentacles.
Do I kind of look like it?
I look emo.
Do I look like a crab? Wait, we both have like. Wait. Do they look alike? Wait, it doesn't really work. Wait.
I'm gonna stop this before it starts getting all
I'm wearing
crazy.
flowers!